In order to have an Energy Star built home, first of all, you have to complete what's called the thermal bypass checklist. And what that is there's 28 things that we as raters go through. We confirm that those things are part of the building practice, and specifically, those things are centered around the insulation products that go into it. Not only the products, but the workmanship that they go on, and then specifically what products are used. What we're looking for as part of the checklist, first of all, is the insulation in contact with the surfaces that it's designed to insulate. We look in all the outside walls, we look behind where tubs and showers might be going, that insulation is installed properly. Any place where there's a wall between conditioned space and attic has to be filled with insulation properly. You can use a number of different products, which has been mentioned already. What we always have to keep in mind is, are they installed properly? When I say that, that means, is that insulation in contact with all the faces, the sheetrock, the sheathing, the studs? It needs to be in place. The other thing that we look for is insulation around skylights, air barriers that are in place. Energy Star is not necessarily looking for vapor barrier properties, but air barrier properties specifically. All can lights have to be gasketed and have to be insulation contact rated as part of the thermal bypass checklist. That was accomplished very well as well here. One thing that was done here at the E² house was that they wrapped the outside of the house with a continuous insulation or an insulated sheathing. Whenever you can do that, wrap that entire house with a continuous insulation, it takes the R value up a percentage, anywhere from 5 to 10%. That was done here. The next thing that they did is they used a closed cell polyurethane product and put it in the walls. That took the infiltration down to essentially zero. And we have numbers to show that the infiltration on this particular project is almost zero. They also put the polyurethane foam in the attic and then used loose fill fiberglass on top of it. And again, these products are good. They're wonderful. They're some of the top line products available, but the guys and the subcontractors and the contractors that used those products and the way that they were applied and installed, it speaks volumes. You could use the best products in the world, but if they're not applied properly, you've wasted your money.